What's up, people? Welcome to the new vlog. It's a new day, new vlog, new videos, new challenges, new opportunities. So I know in the last vlog y'all would have seen me doing my maintenance and all of that, but I did supposed to actually do my nails in another vlog there too, and a lot that happened on that day and I had to reschedule. So starting this vlog off with that, and I'm gonna show you guys the nail tech that I went to, which is a new nail tech. Come on, always I try new people. I'm not gonna stop trying new people until I feel comfortable with the service I'm receive. And it is literally, wait, I feel like my last. Anyways, it is literally like not even 4 days good yet since I did my lashes, and look at this shit. Like, oh my god, I am so disappointed in the way how I wasted my money. Like, I feel like I take money out of my pocket and I throw it in the garbage bin, honestly. Like, as I said in the last vlog, I really loved how the lashes turned out, but it don't last long. I don't know if for the glue or what, but she did not eat, guys. Like, she didn't eat. This is not it. I'm gonna pull over because I'm not gonna drive and vlog, but yeah. So as me I said, look for my lash them. This is like me I sweat and whatever, but the time hot, the summer hot. The summer is very miserable. But as me say, like, most of the one here dead now, but it kind of most of the one here still there, but it's that drop out like over here. So look on the one here compared to this. This is not it, and I spent literally, I think it was 7,000 that I spent. 7,000, either 6,000, 6,500 or 7. I don't remember. But I take money out of my pocket and throw it in my bin with this one. And I really liked the lady that did my lashes. Like, she was very professional. As I said in the last vlog, she did her thing. It ate when it was finished, but it isn't lasting. It not last long. Like, I don't know. I don't think I'll be going back. And I honestly, I'm the type of person, I'm not confrontational, so I'm not gonna message her, I'm not gonna call her, nothing like that, and dip on a bag of chatting. Honestly, I'm not even gonna dissuade you guys from going to use her if you want to, because she ate with this eyebrow shaving. Really easy to shave eyebrows, but she did it the way I liked it. So I'm gonna give her props for that. But honestly, in terms of lashes, I'm gonna have to go back to my old lash girl, because she ate. That shit lasted for my lashes. The last time I did them with Lashes by Jane, and it really, she did her thing. Those lasted for weeks. The only time it fell out is when I started to pick them out, because I just can't wash my face and do my thing without have lashes in my way. I wanted a break, but this ain't it. Anyways, enough ranting. I'm gonna get started with the vlog now. I'm gonna show another little nail appointment that I had, and you will see whatever else is in this video. I don't know what's gonna be in this vlog, guys. I'm just recording when I record, like I said. So whatever you want to see in this vlog, if you like, give this video a like. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Comment and tell me if you don't like the new vlog them will be gonna put out. Comment and tell me what y'all want to see in our upcoming vlogs, and don't forget to subscribe. So see y'all in the next clip. Bye. So people, this was the nail tech. Her name is Zimma Nails. You can find her on Instagram, on TikTok. She is one of the baddest. I'm gonna say she's one of the baddest nail tech I've ever used. This was how the office was set up. The nail tech office was set up. Really cute, simple, nice decor, comfy, quiet, and clean. I'm gonna stress the clean because it was really clean. It is a semi-detached nail salon, and she operates in Portmore, somewhere in Greater Portmore. I don't remember exactly where, but this was just me waiting to get my nails done. She had another client who was there at the time. I was on time for my appointment. I didn't have to wait long, to be honest. I think I was actually early. So I just waited a bit, and then she did my nails. It didn't even take an hour, it was less than an hour. And then this was me heading back to the car to head home. This was the results of the nail. I just went for a simple pedicure and gel polish. I did a French set, and it was my first time doing it, but she ate. You can't tell me she didn't eat. And then this was, I think, the next day when me and TG went to get some breakfast at the new Tastee at the Fesco on Ferry. We had some breakfast there. We didn't really like it. The food wasn't all that great. I think I had bought aki and food, and it wasn't all that great, but the scenery was all right. We sat upstairs, had our breakfast, had some coffee, and then we were out just as quick as we were in. We were out. So this is what I got. So it's actually kalaloo and veg. Then this was Mother's Day Sunday when I was trying to get something for my mom. I went to this store in Portmore. I can't remember the name, but it is close to the mall. They have a wide variety of stuff in there. You can get a lot of household items. They do sell clothing as well. They sell jewelry. They sell you name it, they have it. If you know Lane Mart in Portmore, it's pretty much a replica of that store, but it's under a different name, different company, but the same type of things that they sell at Lane Mart is what you can get here. So I just walked around in the store for a bit, shopping, window shopping, and looking for a gift, something that I knew she would appreciate. So yeah, today we are going to today we are going to pick up some package. We don't always get you where I pick up package, but we are pick up some packages today. Don't know what else we're doing. It's Mother's Day weekend, so you guys might see some Mother's Day content in this vlog. But yeah, wanna stick with me.
Which hairstyle? Brother, go fuck, brother. Yo.
So people look on the hairstyle with everybody I'm mad over.
If not,
that I did.
Nobody know mad over this.
Say, make him look like a bulldog. Make put a bulldog picture right there, and take a picture of him here. It's have a bulldog look like.
You know what I want now? I'm gonna start my Brian edit some video for me. Don't worry yourself. you see because me can edit, see you edit and put in anything where you want to do in that video. Don't worry yourself, man. I'm gonna make Brian edit some video for me. So when Brian edit some video for me, I'm gonna start upload for myself.
So what if me say it look like a bulldog?
I'm gonna tell you what you look like, yeah? Alright.
A bulldog,
bulldog, yo, I'm gonna tell you this.
Man, aggressive, so what?
Brother, I'm not kind of bulldog. Alright. Yeah? Girl, them find me cute and cuddly. It's like a koala bear.
Brother, I said the hairstyle look like a bulldog.
Brother, you see, you hear the fox say, it's like a koala bear. Because the girls them find me cute and cuddly. And that's a hurt up your head. And not my fault, that.
Not hurt up my head.
Yeah. Because the man them find me as well.
Sweet little princess. Queen at that.
A big queen. Porky the pig. You would have.
Look on belly.
Nothing wrong.
If we zoom
Girl,
up
them
on
love the
this
belly.
man.
Girl, them love the comfort. No worry when me video you want your fat back, you know. No worry, fat back. What the man was a leaf block? Bro, you know how long that take him to just rake it up?
The enemy has been reaching, I think, done.
I'm gonna show you our fat back.
I will show you the packages I will pick up.
Not picking up no packages, guys. She try stall up my day, because I have things to do. She try stall up my day, guys. But it shall be done today, okay? What is to be after be? She can't start the G.
Anyways. Alright. This look like, I think it's that one. This a one work shirt. Yeah, I think this is mine. One work shirt. I'm gonna buy.
That could never be
But
mine.
it's so big. It's nice. I like it. Like the design.
Device
Yeah, I like it.
Successfully.
I think this is a work shirt. So yeah, this is like work shirt. Like simple with the flare. Yeah. It's like this a year. Yeah, this a you too.
Tight.
This a you too.
It's nice.
I think this is you again. Yeah, this talking about no. It's like a year all this. And then let me see if they're giving a coupon. No coupon. Show them your face.
No. Yo, easy.
Show your face now.
Yo, easy the radar.
Then everybody know who you be.
No.
The belly is showing, so we don't need your face.
The girls, they love my waist.
No, man, I'm going to point on the window.
This is a famous place, guys. Comment down below and tell me if you know where we're at.
The famous.
You just comment and tell us. Early morning shout. I like the bread, mama.
Is it somebody?
Yeah, mama.
What did you tell me? Maybe it's that way back down that side. You know what? One of the popcorn them, the sweet popcorn them.
Yeah, guys. Miss Fatback. Miss Fatback, want me? Show them, huh? Got more back than she got bottom. Miss Fatback. Yo! Got more meat than a grocery store. Dr. Winnie, so what should I eat? Everything that goes against our health.
That's not true.
Expresses?
Yeah.
I see expresses yourself? She said DJ want to shave up, you know.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Today I'm gonna take you guys with me all over the place. Currently there at Grand Bahai on a staff trip, leadership retreat, and it's going lovely so far. Y'all see the clips. I never really vlog much, but y'all will see what I did vlog in the video. I think this is when we just got there and we were checking in. Yeah. So I'm a meat lover, so I had a lot of meat on my plate, and I did get an omelette too. There's Krish, and yeah, we had a good breakfast. The service was all right, and then it was time to start off with the sports day festivities. I was in greenhouse, as you can see, repping my color, and we all were headed to the beach where all the activities took place for that day. Yeah, a little bit. I can't bother to do no full thing today. I can't bother to watch Eric. So this is just a little part of the beach area. Over there they're playing volleyball. Yeah.
Too much now. Alright, so everybody see that one, right? So we're gonna be voting. And yeah, we're gonna speak to the judges on the air. Alright, so guess what? We're gonna send you one by one. And I don't want you to be biased. Either it's not your team, you see if the person is doing a great job, make nice to them, alright? That's how we're gonna find a winner. Yeah? So we cannot be biased. We have to separate and celebrate everybody one by one. You have 10 seconds to captivate everybody down here. Thank you, Potter Rice. One love. Alright, so we're ready. If you're ready, say yeah. Yeah, that's the attitude. So who's going from the purple team? Where's the purple? Right here? Pink, green, and blue. Alright, no purple. I'm not picking on you. I was just asking. Alright, so we're sending green team because when you come out here strong. Alright. So let's take it blank from here. Alright, so green, everybody. Just like the sun, step aside now. Green team wants to take over. You ready for DJ? Alright, drop that beat. Green team. Attitude, mash up the place. We give you one bus of splits, no problem. Yes, green team, you ready? Watch it now. Yeah. Watch it now. Yeah. Go DJ!
Check out green team. Attitude. Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So green team, well done. We're ready for blue team. DJ, drop the beat. Here we go. Let's go now. Watch out now. We have the purple team in the building. Who are those purple? Watch it now. Jump. Attitude. Yeah. Put it up. Watch it now. Hey, watch it. DJ, watch it now. Watch it as you're ready. Jump.
So guys, I'm on my third drink, heading to the pool now. So guys, all in all, it was a really good day. We didn't really do much after that other than go to dinner, and then we pretty much headed home. But thanks for watching this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Thank you.